Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to record screen with OBS. First of all you have to do is open Google search engine on your Chrome browser or any browser, and you have to type download OBS. Now click on the top search result. This page will open. You have to select your operating system. It is available for Windows, Apple and Linux, so you have to click on download installer. Once you've downloaded the installer file, all you have to do is also install the installer file to install OBS on your computer. Once you have installed OBS, you have to open OBS on your PC. So this is the default layout of OBS Studio. So from here, what you have to do is click on the plus icon in the sources. From here, you have to select display capture. You can give any name to your display, and then after that click on OK. If you're using multiple monitors, then you have to click on display and select the monitor that you want to record with OBS. So I have 3 screens. I will select my primary monitor, and after that click on OK. Now if I move the window of OBS, as you can see, everything is showing in the OBS. Whatever I will do on my screen will be shown in the OBS. If you also want to record your voice or use your audio while recording your screen, then you have to click on this mic button, click on settings icon, and then go to properties. From here you have to select your microphone that you want to record with. After selecting that, click on OK. Now as you can see, as I speak, the microphone is showing me that by some visual effects. From there, if you want to record your screen, all you have to do is click on start recording. Now my screen is recording everything that I'm talking. If I stop the recording, I will click on file, then click on show recordings. A new folder will open from where you will be able to see all of your screen recordings. It will be recorded as a video file. You can open it on your computer as well. And that's how to record screen with OBS. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.